Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So before we get in today's video, I really just wanted to say thank you so much to my new subscribers. It really means the world to me. And if you hear anything in the background, my dogs are making noises. I received a lot of love on my previous video of my Harry Potter Slytherin inspired look, so I just really wanted to say thank you so much and to stay tuned because I will be doing the other houses too, but they are going to be spread out and I have some other videos coming in between then, so hang tight and those will be out soon. So in today's video I am going to be doing a unboxing of my balm products that I ordered, so I thought I would share it with you guys and stay tuned. So I ordered some products myself from the Balm Cosmetics because a friend of mine used to work at the Balm and she gave me some products for Christmas this past Christmas, and I love the products that she sent me, and so I wanted to buy some more myself, and so they're all in here. I haven't opened it yet. Everything in here I haven't used. We're gonna just open it up right now together. Okay, so opening up my box. It's nice and bubble wrapped in here. Ooh, it's all falling out. And I will link everything in my description box below, so I got you covered. So the first thing that I ordered, and I'm actually wearing the Matte Hughes lipstick, and so I wanted to order this. So I found this on the website. This is Matte Hughes, and it is the 6 mini long-lasting liquid lipsticks. So you have charming, committed, charismatic, reliable, trustworthy, and adoring. And so I don't have mine in here. I have a bigger one, and I believe this one is called Faithful. So and I'll link that in the description as well. So I got this, and this is their volume 7. They have a ton of these. I love these. It stays on your lips. It kind of reminds me of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and don't get me wrong, I love Jeffree and he is my ultimate favorite, but these are like a close second. So if you're looking for a new like liquid lip, these are amazing. Let me see if the prices are on here. If not, I'll put them down below. No, the prices aren't on here, but I will put them in my description. Oh, and it comes with little stickers. How cute is that? I love the packaging for the Balm Cosmetics. I think they're really cute. So one thing that my friend gave me, and I ordered more because I ran out, and this is my favorite mascara. I'm wearing it right now, so I had to order again. This is the Mad Lash Mascara. It's so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you so you can see the wand. So this is what the packaging looks like. Isn't that cute? And then this is what the wand looks like. I don't know, can you see that? Let me see. It's just, it hugs your lashes so nice, and this is the most separating mascara I have ever tried in my entire life. And I've gone through a lot of mascaras, so I'm very picky when it comes to mascara. So I really like this. I'm glad I ordered it again because I was running out of my other one and I don't know what I was gonna do. And with that said, I wanted to try another one of their mascaras because I figured if I liked this one, I wanted to try a new one. So I got another one. This is called What's Your Type Black Mascara, the Bodybuilder. So I'm assuming it will give you a lot of volume. How cute is that? Look at the guy. And of course it's in black. So I haven't seen this before. Okay, so just a regular black bottle. What's your type? Let's see what the wand looks like. Okay, so it's like skinny on the bottom and fatter on the top. So I'm really excited to try this. I mean, I love their other one, so we'll see how this plays out. So stay tuned in previous videos if you want to see me testing these products. Let's move on to the next one. So the next product I got, this is called Put a Lid on It, and this is an eyelid primer. So again, I am a sucker for primers, face primers too, but this one is for your eyes, and it says eye candy at its best. So this is what the packaging looks like. Go ahead and open this. Okay, so this is what the bottle looks like. Let's see if there's like a scent or anything to it. Ooh, I don't smell any scent. Let's see if it's clear. Okay, so it's like a skin color. So it's kind of like if you use the Morphe eyelid primer, the color kind of looks like that, so it should match with my eyes, and it seems a little more like iridescent, like clear, so I'm hoping that this will work. And then the last thing that I really wanted to try, so in the package that my friend gave me over Christmas, she sent me a tinted moisturizer from the Balm. It's called the Balm Shelter, and I really love that. I never use tinted moisturizers, but I use that one. And then she also sent me their concealer called the Time Balm, and so I figured if their concealer works that good, I wonder what their foundation is like. So I went online and I found that they have a foundation, so I had to get it, and I'm hoping it's in my shade. I just bought this one. So this is called Even Steven Whipped Foundation, and I got it in mid medium because I'm usually like a medium beige. So I think this will work. This is what it looks like. It's got the clear plastic protector on it, which is nice. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Ooh, yeah, it's nice and whipped in there. I think that'll be okay. Let's try a little. It might be a little dark, but it seems to be blending in nicely on my hand, so okay. Yeah, I'm excited to try this. It feels really nice on my hand, and it looks like it's matte, which I love matte foundation. So I figured, why don't we go back into the lipsticks and I'll do some swatches for you guys. So let's open this bad boy. I'm excited to see these. They're so cute. Oh, they're so mini. Look at that. So this is the first one. This is, what is this one? So this first one is called Adoring. Ooh, okay. I don't know if you guys can really see that. Can you tell? There you go. So this one is called Adoring. It's kind of close to this one. It's a little more red. The one I'm wearing is a little more purple. So that's Adoring. This next one is called Trustworthy. Let's see. Ooh, that's a nice brown shade. I love a good matte brown lipstick. This next one is called Reliable. That's what this looks like. So here is, ooh, that's nice. Reliable. I'm probably gonna wear that one a lot. It's like a perfect shade for me. So there's Reliable. The next one is Charismatic. That's what this looks like. It's a little bit more nude. Ooh, that's nice too. Yeah, I'm glad I got this bundle. So again, this is the volume 7, and this is Charismatic. The next one is Committed. This looks pretty. It's like a more pink. These all smell really nice too. like a marshmallow or something. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Oh, I'm like dying to try this. Committed. And then the last one is Charming. That's what this looks like. It's a little more of a deeper pink than the last one from what I can tell from the bottle. Yeah. Ooh. Yay, I'm so excited. So that is what all the swatches look like. So excited to try these. But I hope you guys loved this unboxing video of the Balm Cosmetics. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. You can easily subscribe to my channel when my face pops up. Please make sure that you check out the other videos on the sides. I will link that Slytherin Harry Potter video again, just in case you haven't seen it. And again, thank you so much for the love on my channel and to my new subscribers. What you can expect from me is, you know, this is a beauty channel, but I am going to be throwing in some other lifestyle things in there, like my dogs, or I love coffee and music. So I'm hoping to do some other, like maybe music inspired makeup looks too, so stay tuned. Again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.